Raisin water, made by soaking raisins, typically black raisins, in water overnight and then drinking the liquid, is believed to offer several potential benefits for hair growth. Rich in antioxidants, particularly those found in dark fruits, raisin water can help combat oxidative stress, which is a known contributor to hair loss and premature graying. The presence of iron in raisins aids in improving blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients for healthy growth. Furthermore, the vitamins and minerals present in raisin water, such as vitamin B, potassium, and calcium, contribute to strengthening hair strands, reducing breakage, and promoting overall hair health. While more scientific research is needed to definitively prove these claims, many anecdotal reports suggest that incorporating raisin water into a regular diet can lead to visibly healthier and faster-growing hair. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.